Hello, sweet friends! Are you as excited as I am? Because it's Lawn Fawn release day. Their summer release is finally available at Cloud9 Crafts store. Now let's unbox this package of cute crafty goodies. As always, there's a personal note included. Thank you, Yuki, for your sweet message. Now, as you can see, it's a box full of crafty items. This truly makes me happy. Yuki included a summery Hawaiian kind of garland. I smiled so much when I saw this. My bonus son claimed it already, but I'm doing this voiceover wearing this sweet garland. And this is a strawberry ice cube, already in the freezer because it's super hot here in Belgium. And then a yellow straw with a cute umbrella on it. And then, of course, some candy in the shape of a shell, of course. These remind me of my childhood. I ate those all the time. So here are the first items of the release. All the party hats and the possum birthday stamp sets. I think I will use these party hats a lot. I mean, I always need birthday cards, so this comes in super handy. And then that little dog in the gift box. I mean, how cute is he? Oh, and here there's that new paper collection called Fruit Salad. I chose the 6x6 paper pads because I use the size all the time. I especially love the gingham style of paper, and I mean those watermelons are just super adorable as well. Another freebie here, a piece of beautiful golden foil and an adhesive sheet to do some foiling without the fuss of and the need of a hot foil system. I think this is super fun if you want to try out foiling sometime. And there's also a silver glittery piece of fun foam included. This is always super fun to have on hand. And yes, it's all covered in confetti. Because you know, it's party day today. Here are two other stamp sets I got. So the Yappy Birthday and the Yappy Birthday add-on. I mean, I needed to have these. I'm more of a cat person myself, but I have lots of dog-minded friends, so I will be making lots and lots of dog cards for them. How adorable are these dogs? I love them so much. And I also got 3 extra Copic markers, because you know Copics are always a good idea. Then I also got this road die and the Car Critters add-on set. I can't wait to try this with the reveal wheel. And that little bear with the sunglasses is just super adorable. He's my absolute favorite. Here are 4 fun new die sets. The Playful Pineapple. I love that he has a cute little smiley face. And there are the cherries as well. I love these in summer. I could eat a ton of these, I think. And then there's the Build a Drink and the cocktail add-on. I especially love the cocktail one. What's your favorite cocktail? Let me know in the comment section below. I think mine is Cosmopolitan. Or no. Strawberry daiquiri. That's my favorite one. Oh, and this must be one of my favorites of this release. Another add-on for the Woodland Critter Huggers. I can't wait to try this. And then there's also another fun backdrop, perfect for festive birthday cards. I might do a shaker card with this backdrop. And I'm in love with this next stamp set. Simply celebrate more critters. I love that there are lots of different critters here. I really love the bugs one. Oh, and that cute little sloth sleeping on the right there. And that bug. I mean, it looks like he's dancing. So, so, so adorable. And of course, a few pun sentiments as well. My favorite must be the I kid you not. I love that it mixes and matches with the older released set as well. Lawn Fawn always has great puns to put on cards. And yet another freebie, a lovely piece of patterned paper. This one has the look of an alcohol background. I haven't tried alcohol inks yet because I hate to be too messy, if I'm honest. So this patterned paper is just perfect for me. And in this cute little bag, there's such beautiful washi tape. The Just Plain Awesome Foiled Washi. It has silver foiling on those paper planes, and I think this works well on about every envelope, like the paper planes are delivering the handmade card or something. Just super duper cute. Oh, and I also ordered a few sequins. Here I have some bumblebees and the fruit cocktail sprinklets. The bees will work with the previous released bee-themed items, and then the fruit cocktail sequence will work great with the Build a Cocktail die set. And here, this package contains cute little mini ice cubes. This works with the Build a Drink and the cocktail. These are super adorable in real life. Can't wait to try these. And another freebie here, a little container of limoncello sequins. Also great to add to those drinks. There are so many amazing goodies. I love it. And next to the confetti, Yuki, the owner of Cloud9, also added a few fruit sequins in the package. I love it that with every new release, all goodies and confettis are all in the theme of the release. It always amazes me on how special and festive the box of goodies is. Then this one, the Beach Sunset Stencil. Can't wait to try this. I mean, how gorgeous is this? I love it so, so much. On that black paper you can see all the colorful confettis. I needed another pack of magnetic storage cards. Super handy to store like all interactive die sets, the paper piecing dies, etc. They are super sturdy. Couldn't live without them anymore. And last but not least, I stocked up on a few papers from the Really Rainbow collection. I mean, I'm like super anxious that this might retire one day, and well, yeah, I don't want that. So just to be sure, I ordered a few of those lovely patterned papers. And this finishes off this fun unboxing. I mean, how adorable is this new release? I love every single item and I can't wait to start creating. Also, a big shout out to Yuki and the team of Cloud9 Crafts. There really are lots of amazing free goodies. The garlands, the foiled sheet, the strawberry ice cube, and so much more. So thank you so much for all your hard work to make us happy, Yuki. And of course, thank you for watching this unboxing video. I will be back soon with another cards project. Have a great day. Bye!